Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 23 Vantages. This has been a super popular boat for Boston Whaler and us as well as MarineMax. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options. This one does have the colored gel coat right here. Underneath your hardtop is also the same color as the gel. Very, very nice. And you'll also notice the new Mercury Verado. So this is the 300 horsepower model. This is a brand new model for 2018, if you will. This is a V8, so very, very nice, and it does have the white cowling and everything. So this one has the fish package, which gives you a recirculating bait well. Underneath your companion seat right here, extra rod holders, raw water washdown. This one also has canvas for the bow, full cockpit. Very, very comfortable boat. There's plenty of room here if you want to do your electronics, VHF, so on and so forth. Very comfortable bow area. So this is a big 23-footer, and a lot of people that like to cruise and do fishing and things like that, it's a nice compromise between the two. Also has the fully enclosed head, which is right here. That's actually our canvas right there we're getting ready to put on with dockside discharge. Lots of storage on the boat. Very, very popular. So if you'd like to take a look at the boat, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and MarineMax Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.